be a little bit more independent and having your own ideas out there and not having to rely on the work or the company you work for. A lot of people are craving from that freedom. We want to be more and more free. So if you're a business coach and you're looking to be a coach, any type of coach, that might be a good way for you. But for introverts, that might be even better because there's the power here into listening to people, offering solutions, and being able and okay with taking that back seat. I talked about it in a couple of videos prior to this one. Really great entry for people that actually are really good at listening, really coming up with ideas, creative ideas, interesting ideas, because at the end of the day, AI is going to do a lot, but it can't replace human beings. Being a coach is the way to go for people that actually love serving and don't feel the need to take the whole space. I think it's a really great business, really great idea to have here for 2024. The second one is going to be web design and app development. I feel like online we're going to get more and more people doing the really great design, really beautiful design, and especially web design. At the same time, you have more